Hello everyone, this is a video of the replacement of the mesh belt of the hang joining powder spreading dryer. The required spare parts are open mesh bags and wire. Firstly, loosen the tensioning bolts on the left and right sides. Secondly, cut off the damaged mesh belt and remove it. Thirdly, thread the mesh belt through the bottom of the drum and back through another drum. Note that the guardrail of the mesh belt is on the left side of the powder spreader. Fourthly, align the left guardrail of the mesh belt and sew the mesh belt joint together with iron wire. Before threading the wire, straighten the wire so that it can be easily threaded through. Fifth, bend both ends of the wire and press it onto the surface of the mesh belt. Sixth, tighten the tightening wheel bolts and check for any deflection. Finally, idle the mesh belt for 30 minutes and check for any abnormalities. Thank you for your patience in watching.